Alright, this is Joel. I'm coming to you from Akumal. I'm 2 blocks, or 2 small streets actually, from the main street here in the Pueblo Akumal, and then just cross over the highway to go down to the Playa Akumal, which is the beach area. And let's see what the Airbnb looks like here. Checking into Airbnb. Looks amazing. It's well decorated. I like the turtle theme, because this area is known for turtles. Right on. So this is the Airbnb in Akumal. I'll be here for a week. I'll be giving some updates from both the Pueblo, the town, and the beach area, which I want to go check out later after I rent the bicycle, because it's a long, windy road to go along the beachfront area and check out past the hotels and restaurants. Cheers.